Good evening. My name is Patrick Kabwe Wadia. I'm here to just show you how you can use Excel. Some very important Excel tools that you can use to extract data from any text file and sort it accordingly. Okay, so this is what we are going to do right now. I have a copy of some data which is in text format, so I'm just going to show you how you can actually sort that data and extract it into an Excel file. So I'm going to go in Start, then I'm going to access my file which is in the USB flash disk, which is just about loading. Okay, I'll open my file, my USB file, and I'll go down to locate the text document which we are going to work with. So this is the text document which I'm going to work with. Open it. So depending on the data which you are looking for, in this case I want to work on the data for Sesheke Secondary School. So I'm going to highlight the, if I want to just locate, because this is a combined information for all the districts in Western Province, the secondary schools. So I'm going to hold Ctrl F on your keyboard. You see Ctrl together with F. It will give you a table where I have to type the school for easy access or for easy retrieval. So I'll type Sesheke and find. Bingo! So there is Sesheke down there. As you can see, Sesheke Secondary School is here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy out this information for Sesheke Secondary School, which starts from here. So I'll highlight from here, drag down all the way. Just keep note, you need to keep note of the school where it ends. So I'll drag it all down there. You can either hold Shift for fast selection, push down Shift and keep pressing the down arrow. There. Just keep in mind of Sesheke Secondary School. That's what, depending on the data which you are looking for. Just keep going. We are still Sesheke. We are still doing Sesheke. Keep going. That is still Sesheke. Keep going. We are still doing Sesheke. It's quite a big school, huh? That is Sesheke. Okay. This is still Sesheke. Keep going. It's a big school, really. Sesheke. We are still doing Sesheke. So depending, some they have, they don't have enough pupils. Some they have enough. So you find that the selection is quite long. You have to take a bit of time. Sesheke. It's quite a big school. We are still doing Sesheke. Yeah. So this is where Sesheke ends. As you can see, if we go a bit down, we find that Lukulu comes in, but we're just interested in Sesheke in this case. So we go up so that we can just end on Sesheke. So there is Sesheke. We right click, copy. After copying, we need to look for the Excel icon. In this case, our Excel icon is here, 2013 Excel. So double click, open, select the first box and paste it in the first column. So right click, paste. As you can see, our data, the way it's appearing, it's not in order, it's jumbled, so we need to put it in the right order. So what we are going to do is we select from A, column A, you left click to select everything. Then from there you go to data. From data you go to text to column. You click, you leave it the way it is on fixed width, you say next. Okay, now this is where it gets very interesting. I need you to listen to me very carefully so that we may not miss any point from here. This is where it gets very interesting. We need to make sure that we select our important documents. So we go a little bit down here so that we can see the subjects. Okay, so we need to leave the subjects and the score. Like English, the score, they have to be in one box. So in this case, we need to indicate an arrow here just to make sure we separate them. We put them in one box. Also here, just like double click on the arrowhead in order to remove it out from here, to rub this line from this box. As you can see, it has gone. We go to the next. We remove this so that we can keep the subject and the score in the same box. We remove the arrow here as well. We remove the arrow here as well so that it can be the subjects and the score in the same box. So here we can just create a line there. Okay, so when we reach here, we can click next. Everything seems to be fine, and click finish. So as we click finish there, we find that everything has been arranged accordingly, very nicely arranged. So what we need to do now is we need to list down the subjects. Now for the sake of time, there's a document which I already worked on earlier, which I've selected the subjects already in order. So I'm just going to open it so that we can just copy the subjects instead of me typing them. So I'll copy this, copy. We'll go back to our table which I was working on. I can just paste them even here anyhow. I'll say paste. Okay, so we'll start looking at the English language. So we'll put equal sign next to the English subjects. We'll say equals. Okay, are you with me? And type count if. Okay, bracket, open bracket. As soon as I write open bracket, it will bring the range criteria. So depending what we are looking for, I'll put from the first pupil here, which is Lubas Movita. I'll select the first box like that. As you can see, it automatically gives me the dragging point for our formula. So I can drag it like that up to the last there. I can go down where it ends. It ends in I, as you can see. This is a hard way, but this works for me. Keep going down to check secondary school. It's quite a big school. So keep going down. Okay, there. So just observe where the marks, the scores ends, they end in column I. Having finished that, automatically it adds to the formula here. So we just put a comma there. Help you with me. Let me just drag this up there so that we can see whatever I was doing there. Yes. So I'll put a comma there, space, and you write English the way it is, which is ENG full stop. So put ENG full stop. Okay. Then we'll count the distance. In this case, we'll just put space 1. And you need to put a same column at the first of English. This is the column. And at 1 there we put a column. Then we close the bracket like that. Shift bracket. Then enter. So automatically our formula has been made. But you notice that it's showing 0. Don't be so worried that it's showing 0. So where we need to look at and correct the mistake is on the spacing. So this spacing between the English and 1, we can count the spacing from the actual English from N here. So which we need to count from the full stop to the 4, which is 1. Use the right arrow to count. So where it is blinking, that is 1 already. So we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the spacing between English and the next value, it's 8. So come back to our formula here. We need to lock the formula first so that it doesn't get disturbed. As you can see, it's already selected here. We don't need it to go berserk. So we need to make sure that it stays locked. So in order for us to keep it locked, we'll put a US dollar sign at every value in our formula. So before A, we put a US symbol that is on 4, shift 4. After A, we put US value. After 13, we put US value. Before I, this is just to keep our formula locked. We put US value, which is shift 4. Before I, we put US value. And after the figures, we put US value. In this way, our formula is now safe and locked. So now we can work on the spacing, which is 8 spaces. So we'll count 1 where it is blinking here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I should be able to give us the figures here. Enter. Yes. See? So already it has given us the figure here. Okay. Okay, which means our formula has passed. Now we can just put it now the score, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 x. These are the divisions which I'm putting here. So 1 to 2, that is a distinction. 3 to 4, that is a merit. 5 to 6, that is a credit. 7 to 9 to x, that is unsatisfactory, that is a fail. So now I can drag this formula up to the end there, up to x. So as you can see, it's saying x 6 6 6 6 6 6 here. So in order for us to get the actual figure for division 2, we just click in there 6 below 2 and just change where there's 1, we put 2. Okay, automatically it would give us the total number of pupils and the distinction. Okay, we'll go to 3, just change there 3, automatically is changing as you can see here. 4, we'll do likewise, just like that. 5, we'll do the same. 6, put 6 there. 7, put 7 there. 8, put 8 there. 9, there is 9 there. Then number last, x, we put x there. Bingo! So as you can see, our formula is done. So you can just repeat this same process which you have done to the rest of the subjects. For example, RE, you just have to drag down the formula. You can drag it down there. Okay, up to our subjects ends. We come to RE. We are now dealing with RE, which is RE full stop. So we just have to change where there's English, we put RE there, which is RE full stop. Okay, it's giving us 0. Again, we need to confirm with the spacing that is between RE and the subject. So we'll come to RE and count the spacing, okay, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the spacing is 8 here. So we'll confirm with the spacing here, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Okay, it's perfect. Spacing is 8 as well. Okay, I can just redo it from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Enter. So drag this same formula all the way to x there, which will give us 0 0 0 0 0. So under division 1, there's no 1. We got any marks. So we go to division 2, we change, we put 2 there. See? So under division 2, 2 got that. Under division 3, we change, we put 3 there. See? 4 passed. Under division 4, we remove 1, we put 4 there. Under division 5, the list goes on. This is the easiest way of extracting information. Under division 6, put 6 there. Under division 7, we put 7 there. Under division 8, put 8 there, and that vision 9, we put 9 there, and the last, which is x, we put x there. Voila! So as you can see, RE, these people didn't do well. Mostly they failed. Alright, this is where my tutorial ends. Thanks for your time. Thanks for listening. This is one and only Patrick Cowboy Warrior, aka Don Petit. Nyambe mwacha alpha. Bye.